Salam to all. Let's start with the dollar against Turkish lira as we always do. Last week it didn't break 17.95 and made the fake rise we were talking about. This week its stochastic is still high and almost signaling for a correction, so continue to be careful. Below 1803 it shall break 1781, 1779 and then try 1727, 1650 range. Resistance is at 19 level. By the way, if it makes fake spike this week as well, our first target at 1964 shall be reached, but this won't end the correction need, so be careful. Now euro against the dollar. Last week it closed with loss as we expected. This week its stochastic is cheap with selling pressure, so watch out. Below 0.9985, 0.9969 it may break 0.9912, 0.9873 range, and then it might try 0.9668 support on its way to revisiting the buyers that lost the Fibonacci retracement, which is 0.9450, and the resistance is at 1.0070 level. As for gold, last week we were expecting it to go down to 1729, 1719 range and make a spike at this area. Last week's low was at 1727. This week its stochastic is cheap, but increase seems limited, so be careful. Above 1750 it may break 1757, 1760 tight range and then try 1780, 1787 as sustained the tightening range area where the market will make its decision on the direction at the end of it. This week's question: will it break up to 2800 target or wanna get support from the buyers at 1677, which to be visited for the third time? Let's find out all together. Cryptos, Okay, let's start with Bitcoin. We were expecting it to break 20,726 and last week's low was at 20,544. This week its stochastic is cheap but says limited increase, be careful. Below 20,749, 20,727 range, it'll check the buyers at 20,193, 20,169, and there might be a fake spike at this area, so be careful. Afterwards it shall break 19,000, 18,500 range on its way to the last Fibonacci retracement, which is at 15,000 level, and the resistance is at 20,063, 20,158 range. At last Ether, last week we were expecting it to go down to 1,582, 1,550 range, where might be a spike, and last week's low was at 1,530 level. And this week its stochastic is still neither expensive nor cheap, but on its trend resistance, so be careful. Below 1,560, 1,550 range, it may check the buyers at 1,484, 1,483 level. Here there may be a fake spike again, so be careful. Afterwards it shall break 1,420 support, and then it will try to fill the gap between 1,344, 1,257 on its way to the last Fibonacci retracement at 1,100, and the resistance is at 1,601, 1,617 range. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, and let's watch the premiere on Sunday all together. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and set a reminder. Bye.